In the continuation of a previous session, now I'm going with the important LAQs of your exercise step A. Now this is Roman number 2, problem number 7, and this is if angle C is equal to 60 degrees, then show that the first bit is A by B plus C plus B by C plus A is equal to 1. In the continuation, second bit B by C square minus A square plus A by C square minus B square is equal to 0. Now let us observe very carefully. C is equal to 60 degrees. We know that from cosine's law, since capital C is started with 60 degrees, its opposite sides will be measured with small c. That means small letter c. We know that small c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. So c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into, in place of capital C you substitute 60 degrees. So c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. C square is equal to, you are getting a square plus b square minus ab. Keep this as result 1. Now we are going to make use of this result in the LHS part. Now you go on taking LHS, and I am taking a by b plus c plus b by c plus a. Now upon taking the LCM, I am getting b plus c into c plus a. You just cross multiply it, a into c plus a plus b into, you are getting b plus c. Now a into c ac plus a into a square plus b into b square plus b into c bc plus b into c bc plus b into a ab plus c into c square plus c into a is nothing but ac. I will write in order. The order is nothing but first you write a square plus b square plus ac plus bc. Now we write bc plus ab as is. Now from c square, this you are going to take from the result 1. What is the result 1 says? A square plus b square minus ab. Replace c square with a square plus b square minus ab plus ab minus ab gets cancelled. Now we write a square plus b square plus ac plus bc as this. Then in the denominator, a square plus b square will write in the first position plus bc plus ac in the second position. As I observe the numerator and denominator, what I am getting, a square is same, b square is same, ac is there, bc is there. Both the numerator and denominator absolutely equal. Therefore it can be cancelled. What I am getting it, this is going to be 1. I hope that you understood the scenario. You keep on continuing with the session. Now coming back to the, I would like to start with the second bit. What is your second bit says? This is going to be here. Right. Now coming back to the point. In the second bit while solving, I am observing the denominator part. Now from the equation 1, what is your result 1 says? C square is equal to a square plus b square minus ab. I am taking a square to the left hand side. C square minus a square is equal to, you are getting b square minus, this is nothing but ab. Now c square minus a square is equal to, if I take b out common, you are getting b minus a. Similarly, again I am making use of from the result 1 only. I'll be writing this side. This is going to be from the result 1. Now I'll be taking this way. Now I require c square minus b square in the denominator. Taking b square to the left hand side, I am getting c square minus b square is equal to a square minus ab. I'll be writing this is nothing but a square minus ab. Now c square minus b square equal to, upon taking a out common, you are getting a minus b. Now I'll be taking LHS. What is LHS says? Here LHS says that b by, this is nothing but c square minus a square plus a by, you are getting c square minus b square. So b by c square minus a square, just now you have drawn it. Now you have drawn one result, that is b into, this is b minus a plus this is a by c square minus b square. C square minus b square is equal to, you will be writing this one as a into a minus b. We can cancel b and b, we can cancel a and a. Now I'll be writing 1 by b minus a Now 1 by this is a minus b. As I look into the terms are similar, but signs wise both are different. What I'll do is I'll be taking this is 1 by b minus a as it is, plus I'll be taking minus out common. So this will become plus b and this will become minus a. Therefore, you will be getting this is 1 by b minus a plus into minus minus 1 by you are getting b minus a. Both gets cancelled. I am getting 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to you are getting this is nothing but RHS. I hope that you understood the problem very crystally and cleanly. Right, now coming back to the point, we'll go on, keep continuing this session, not to waste our time. Hope that once you have a glance through the entire problem so that you can understand in a neat way. Now this is C is equal to 60 degrees. You have to start with small c square is equal to apply the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. That is nothing but you have to understand this is nothing but capital C and C is equal to 60 degrees, and you will be writing down that c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2b into cos of 60 degrees. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. I am getting c square is equal to a square plus b square minus ab. Now we are going to take c square minus a square format from this and c square minus b square format from this, and I am going to get two results. Therefore, you are going to complete the rest of the answer very neatly. Right, now coming back to the point, I am going with rest of the procedure, and I'll be continuing in the next session for the next problem.